Grand Market Night in Halfway Tree Part 2. Driving around the place.
First, really, I check it out. A lot of product, I sell and things. A lot of vendors.